Meet the Eufy E25 Omni, a robot vacuum and mop designed for powerful hands-free cleaning. With over 50,000 recent orders and 93% positive ratings, it's a customer favorite you can trust. The E25 delivers 20,000 pascals turbo suction for deep carpet and floor cleaning, while the HydroJet system applies strong pressure to wipe away tough stains. Its duo-spiral brushes prevent hair tangling, and the corner rover arm ensures every edge and corner is spotless. The all-in-one auto station empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop, and even refills water, so you enjoy fresh, hygienic cleaning every time. Powerful, smart, hassle-free. That's the Eufy E25 Omni.